Hello, I am Julie Whitman Klein. 35 years ago, my parents, Dr. and Mrs. Wendell Whitman, founded Trinity School of Natural Health. Today, I am proud to carry on their mission to transform the world through natural health. You can join our anniversary celebration with our Founders Day sale, April 6 through 10, to save 10% on 2 of our naturopathic track programs, Certified Natural Health Professional and Certified Holistic Health Practitioner, beginning on April 27. Plus, save 10% on Certified Master Herbalist, Certified Nutritional Consultant, Certified Flower Essence Practitioner, 2 of our incredible Spanish programs, and our Capstone Naturopathic Track program, Certified Traditional Naturopath, beginning on May 25. Additionally, you can save 10% on Trinity merchandise and receive a free gift with every order. But the savings don't end there. You can also save 20% on our Lectures on Demand and the Certified Endocannabinoid Professional program. Trinity students and alumni, we also have a special bonus just for you. Register for the Trinity Live All-In Bundle and save an additional $25 on the already discounted bundle pricing. We appreciate your continued support and look forward to helping you reach your educational goals. From April 6 through 10, call 800-428-0408, option 2, or visit trinityschool.org to redeem these amazing specials.